Hello, in this video I want to show you how to assign different functions for buttons on a Kensington Orbit mouse. To do this, first let me show you the mouse. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons on the left side, and then there's one button right here on the upper side. Then we can open the software called Kensington Works. You can download it from their official website. Inside, first option is buttons, and here you will find two dimensions, so that means the buttons on the left that I shown you, and also one button on top. Now we can click on each of those buttons and assign different functions. There's like hundreds of options. I'm not gonna cover all of them. Let's just assign the right click as a left click, for example, and it should apply after we click on save. It's on the left click right now. Then we can go for the middle click right here. It also highlights so you won't miss it. And you can assign anything as well, like a custom speed that you can apply, navigation, snippets, and etc. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.